Distance between two points. Let P with coordinates x1, y1, z1 and Q with coordinates x2, y2, z2 be 2 points in the space. Let OX, OY and OZ be the coordinate axis. As shown in figure. Through P and Q, draw planes parallel to coordinate planes so as to form a rectangular parallel pipe. This is what we can call as a parallel pipe. From figure, PQ square is equal to PN square plus QN square. Because in right triangle PNQ PQ square is equal to PN square plus QN square is equal to Pn square is nothing but as a Pa square plus An square. Pa square plus An square, because in a right triangle Pn square is equal to Pa square plus An square. Here plus Q1 square we can write as it is equal to Pa is nothing but as x2 minus x1. Therefore, Pa square is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus An. An is nothing but as y2 minus y1. Therefore, An square is equal to y2 minus y1 whole square plus similarly qn is z2 minus z1, therefore qn square is equal to z2 minus z1 whole square. This implies PQ is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Exercise 12.2. Question number 1. Find the distance between the point with coordinates -1, 3, -4 and 1, -3, 4. Solution. Let A with coordinates -1, 3, -4 and B with coordinates 1, -3, 4 be the given points. Therefore, AB is equal to square root of 1 plus 1 whole square plus -3 whole square plus 4 plus 4 whole square is equal to square root of 4 plus 36 plus 64 is equal to 104 is equal to 104 can be written as 4 into 26. Therefore, we will get 2 root 26. Next question. Show that the points with coordinates -2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3 and 7, 0, -1 are collinear. Solution. Let A with coordinates -2, 3, 5, B with coordinates 1, 2, 3 and C with coordinates 7, 0, -1 be the given points. AB is equal to square root of 1 plus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square is equal to square root of 9 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to square root of 14. BC is equal to square root of 7 minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square plus minus 1 minus 3 whole square is equal to square root of 36 plus 4 plus 16 is equal to square root of 56 is equal to 2 root 14, and AC is equal to square root of 7 plus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square plus minus 1 minus 5 whole square is equal to square root of 81 plus 9 plus 36 is equal to square root of 126 is equal to 3 root 14. Since AB plus BC is equal to square root of 14 plus 2 into square root of 14 is equal to 3 into square root of 14 is equal to AC. Therefore, points A, B and C are collinear. Third question. Verify the following. Number 1. Points with coordinates 0, 7, minus 10, 1, 6, minus 6 and 4, 9, minus 6 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Solution. Let A with coordinates 0, 7, minus 10, B with coordinates 1, 6, minus 6 and C with coordinates 4, 9, minus 6 be the vertices of triangle ABC. AB is equal to square root of 1 minus 0 whole square plus 6 minus 7 whole square plus minus 6 plus 10 whole square is equal to square root of 1 plus 1 plus 16 is equal to square root of 18. BC is equal to square root of 4 minus 1 whole square plus 9 minus 6 whole square plus minus 6 plus 6 whole square is equal to square root of 9 plus 9 plus 0 is equal to square root of 18. Since AB is equal to BC, therefore triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Second one, point with coordinates 0, 7, 10, -1, 6, 6 and -4, 9, 6 are the vertices of a right angle triangle. Solution. Let A with coordinates 0, 7, 10, B with coordinates -1, 6, 6 and C with coordinates -4, 9, 6 be the vertices of a triangle ABC. AB square is equal to -1, -0 whole square plus 6 -7 whole square plus 6 -10 whole square is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 16 is equal to 18. BC square is equal to -4 plus 1 whole square plus 9 minus 6 whole square plus 6 minus 6 whole square is equal to 9 plus 9 plus 0 is equal to 18. And AC square is equal to -4 minus 0 whole square plus 9 minus 7 whole square plus 6 minus 10 whole square is equal to 16 plus 4 plus 16 is equal to 36. Since AB square plus BC square is equal to 18 plus 18 is equal to 36 is equal to AC square, therefore A, B and C are the vertices of a right angled triangle. Third one, coordinates of points are -1, 2, 1, 1, -2, 5, 4, -7, 8 and 2, -3, 4 are the vertices of a parallelogram. Solution. Let A with coordinates -1, 2, 1, B with coordinates 1, -2, 5, C with coordinates 4, -7, 8, and D with coordinates 2, -3, 4, with the vertices of a quadrilateral ABCD. AB is equal to square root of 1 plus 1 whole square plus -2 whole square plus 5 minus 1 whole square is equal to square root of 4 plus 16 plus 16 is equal to square root of 36 is equal to 6. BC is equal to square root of 4 minus 1 whole square plus -7 plus 2 whole square plus 8 minus 5 whole square is equal to square root of 9 plus 25 plus 9 is equal to square root of 43. CD is equal to square root of 2 minus 4 whole square plus -3 plus 7 whole square plus 4 minus 8 whole square is equal to square root of 4 plus 16 plus 16 is equal to root 36 is equal to 6. dA is equal to square root of 2 plus 1 whole square plus -3 minus 2 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole square is equal to square root of 9 plus 25 plus 9 is equal to square root of 43. Since AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to DA, therefore quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram.